Ready to shed those pounds fast? If you're looking to lose weight quickly and effectively, you've come to the right place. The keto diet has been a game changer for many, and today we're diving into a specific aspect of it that can help you lose 10 pounds in just 7 days. Yes, you heard that right. With the right approach and dedication, you can achieve your weight loss goals in no time. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's crack into some keto egg magic. Eggs are not only versatile and delicious, but they are also a powerhouse of nutrition. They are a staple in the keto diet for a reason. Whether you're a seasoned keto dieter or a newbie, incorporating eggs into your meals can make a significant difference. They are easy to prepare, affordable, and can be used in a variety of dishes. So, let's explore the wonders of eggs and how they can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Eggs are your new best friend. When it comes to the keto diet, eggs are a must-have. They are incredibly nutritious, providing essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Plus, they are incredibly filling, which means you won't feel the need to snack between meals. This is crucial for weight loss, as it helps you stay within your calorie limits. So, let's dive deeper into the benefits of eggs and how you can make the most of them in your diet. They're packed with protein and super low in carbs. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein and less than 1 gram of carbs, making it an ideal food for the keto diet. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also helps keep you feeling full. The low-carb content ensures that you stay within your daily carb limit, which is crucial for maintaining ketosis. So make sure to stock up on eggs and incorporate them into your meals. Start your day with an egg breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and starting it with eggs can set the tone for the rest of your day. There are countless ways to prepare eggs for breakfast, so you'll never get bored. Whether you prefer them scrambled, boiled, or sunny side up, eggs are a great way to kickstart your day with a nutritious and filling meal. Scrambled, boiled, or sunny side up. The beauty of eggs is that they can be prepared in so many different ways. Scrambled eggs are quick and easy to make, and you can add various ingredients like cheese, vegetables, and herbs to make them even more delicious. Boiled eggs are perfect for meal prep, as you can make a batch ahead of time and have them ready to go. Sunny side-up eggs are a classic favorite and can be enjoyed with a side of avocado or bacon for a complete keto breakfast. Eggs keep you full longer, so no snacking. One of the biggest challenges of dieting is dealing with hunger and cravings. Fortunately, eggs are incredibly filling thanks to their high protein content. This means you'll feel satisfied for longer periods, reducing the temptation to snack between meals. This is especially important on the keto diet, as it helps you stay within your daily calorie and carb limits. So, make sure to include eggs in your meals to keep hunger at bay. Lunchtime? When it's time for lunch, you want something that's quick, easy, and satisfying. Eggs are the perfect solution. They can be used in a variety of lunch recipes that are both delicious and keto-friendly. Whether you're at home or on the go, eggs can be a convenient and nutritious option for your midday meal. Egg salad is your go-to. Egg salad is a classic lunch option that's both tasty and easy to make. It's also incredibly versatile, as you can customize it with different ingredients to suit your taste. Plus, it's a great way to use up any leftover boiled eggs you may have. Simply chop up some boiled eggs, mix them with mayonnaise, mustard, and your favorite seasonings, and you have a delicious and satisfying lunch. Mix it with some avocado for healthy fats. Avocado is another keto-friendly food that's packed with healthy fats and nutrients. Adding avocado to your egg salad not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the nutritional value. Healthy fats are essential on the keto diet, as they help keep you full and provide a steady source of energy. So, don't be afraid to get creative with your egg salad and add some avocado for an extra dose of goodness. Yum! There's nothing quite like enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal. When you combine eggs with other keto-friendly ingredients, you can create meals that are not only nutritious, but also incredibly tasty. So, take the time to savor your meals and appreciate the flavors and textures. Eating should be an enjoyable experience, and with the right ingredients, it can be both healthy and delicious. For dinner, try an omelette loaded with veggies and cheese. Dinner is another opportunity to get creative with eggs. Omelettes are a fantastic option, as they are quick to make and can be customized with a variety of ingredients. Load your omelette with your favorite vegetables and cheese for a nutritious and satisfying meal. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber will keep you full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your diet. It's delicious and super keto-friendly. Omelets are not only delicious, but also incredibly keto-friendly. The eggs provide a good source of protein, while the vegetables add fiber and nutrients. Cheese adds a rich and creamy texture, making the omelet even more satisfying. Plus, you can experiment with different ingredients to keep things interesting. Whether you prefer a classic cheese omelet or one loaded with veggies, you can't go wrong with this versatile dish. Now here's a game changer. If you're looking for a convenient and portable snack, hard-boiled eggs are the way to go. They are easy to make, can be prepared in advance, and are perfect for on-the-go snacking. Plus, they are packed with protein and nutrients, making them a healthy and satisfying option. Hard-boiled eggs are perfect for snacks. Hard-boiled eggs are a great snack option for anyone on the keto diet. They are easy to prepare and can be stored in the fridge for several days. Simply boil a batch of eggs at the beginning of the week, and you'll have a convenient and nutritious snack ready whenever you need it. They are also portable, making them perfect for busy days when you're on the go. They're easy to make and perfect on the go. One of the best things about hard-boiled eggs is their convenience. They are easy to make and can be taken with you wherever you go. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or running errands, having a hard-boiled egg on hand can help you stay on track with your diet. They are also a great option for post-workout snacks, as they provide a good source of protein to help with muscle recovery. But remember, hydration is key. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being, especially when you're on the keto diet. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins, keeps your metabolism running smoothly, and can even help curb hunger. So make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your weight loss goals. Drink lots of water and stay active. In addition to staying hydrated, it's important to stay active. Regular physical activity can help boost your metabolism, burn calories, and improve your overall health. Whether you prefer walking, jogging, or doing a quick workout at home, finding ways to stay active can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. So make sure to incorporate some form of exercise into your daily routine. A short walk or a quick workout can make a big difference. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. Even a short walk or a quick workout can have a positive impact on your health and weight loss goals. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a yoga session, or a quick HIIT workout, staying active can help you stay on track and achieve your goals. So, grab those eggs and let's get cracking. Now that you know the benefits of eggs and how to incorporate them into your diet, it's time to take action. Grab some eggs and start experimenting with different recipes. Whether you're making a delicious breakfast, a satisfying lunch, or a nutritious dinner, eggs can be a versatile and valuable addition to your keto diet. So, let's get cracking and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. You've got this. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's important to stay positive and motivated. With the right mindset and dedication, you can achieve your goals. So, believe in yourself and stay committed to your diet and exercise routine. You've got this, and we're here to support you every step of the way. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more content to help you on your keto journey. So, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. For more keto tips, hit that bell icon. Stay tuned for more keto tips, recipes, and inspiration by hitting that bell icon. This way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. We're here to help you succeed on your keto journey, so make sure to stay connected and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Welcome back. Now that we've discussed how to lose 10 pounds in just 7 days with keto egg rules, let's dive into the broader benefits of following a keto diet. The ketogenic diet isn't just about weight loss. It's a lifestyle change that brings a plethora of health benefits. One of the most significant advantages is improved mental clarity. Many people report better focus and enhanced cognitive function when they switch to a keto diet. This is because ketones, the fuel produced on a keto diet, are a more efficient energy source for your brain than glucose. Another incredible benefit is increased energy levels. Without the crashes that come from carb-heavy meals, you'll find yourself with more sustained energy throughout the day. This can make it easier to stay active and get through your daily tasks with ease. The keto diet also promotes better blood sugar control. By reducing carbohydrate intake, you can stabilize your blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Additionally, the keto diet can enhance heart health. By focusing on healthy fats and reducing processed carbs, you can improve your cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about the anti-inflammatory benefits. Many people experience reduced inflammation and relief from chronic pain when they adopt a keto lifestyle. This can lead to better overall health and well-being. So, if you're looking for a diet that supports not just weight loss, but overall health, the keto diet might be the perfect fit for you. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to make the most of your keto journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Welcome back! Now let's dive into some delicious and easy-to-make keto egg recipes. These recipes will help you stay on track with your diet while enjoying tasty meals. Let's get cooking! First up, we have the classic Keto Egg Muffins. These are perfect for meal prep and can be customized with your favorite low-carb veggies and meats. Simply whisk together eggs, add in diced bell peppers, spinach, and cooked bacon, pour the mixture into a muffin tin, and bake at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. Voila! Perfect portable breakfast or snack. Next, let's make a Keto Avocado Egg Salad. Start by boiling a few eggs until they're hard-boiled. Once cooled, peel and chop them. In a bowl, mash one ripe avocado and mix in the chopped eggs. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. This creamy, nutrient-packed salad is great on its own or served in lettuce wraps. For a hearty lunch or dinner, try our Keto Egg and Cheese Casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, whisk together a dozen eggs, heavy cream, shredded cheddar cheese, and your choice of cooked sausage or ham. Pour the mixture into a greased baking dish and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is golden and the casserole is set. And for a quick and easy snack, you can't go wrong with deviled eggs. Have hard-boiled eggs and scoop out the yolks. Mash the yolks with mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and a dash of paprika. Spoon or pipe the mixture back into the egg whites for a delightful, satisfying bite. These keto egg recipes are not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make, helping you stay on track with your keto journey. Remember, the key to success is variety and enjoying what you eat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking. Chapter 4. Tips for Success. Congratulations on making it this far. Now let's talk about some essential tips to ensure your success on the keto journey. These tips will help you stay on track, stay motivated, and achieve your weight loss goals. First and foremost, meal planning can save you from last-minute temptations and help you stick to your keto diet. Spend some time each week to plan your meals and snacks, and make a shopping list to ensure you have all the ingredients you need. Next, drinking plenty of water is crucial on the keto diet, as it helps to flush out toxins and keep your body functioning optimally. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding electrolytes to your water to maintain your balance. Another tip is having keto-friendly snacks readily available can help you avoid reaching for carb-laden options when hunger strikes. Nuts, cheese, and boiled eggs are great choices for quick, satisfying snacks. It's also important keeping a food journal or using a keto app can help you monitor your carb intake and stay accountable. Seeing your progress over time can be incredibly motivating and help you stay committed to your goals. Everyone's experience with keto is different, so it's important to pay attention to how your body responds. Adjust your diet as needed to ensure you're feeling your best. If you're experiencing any negative side effects, consider consulting a healthcare professional. Finally, Whether it's joining a keto community online or finding a friend who's also on the keto journey, having support can make a big difference. Share your experiences, exchange tips, and motivate each other to stay on track. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these tips, stay positive, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals with the keto diet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your keto journey.